Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Maker. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Maker was dropped down at a long-term support of $820 and it was bounced very well. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live chart, this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart. And this was the support that I was showing you. And you can see that after getting rejected by this long-term downtrend line resistance, it was again dropped down at this support. And now it is bounced from this support. And we have broken out this very long-term resistance of $1,000. Right now, we are breaking out the next resistance of $1,250. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this very long-term resistance of exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21 on this 7 days time frame chart that had been previously working as a very strong and long-term support here and resistance here for several months. And if the price then breaks it out again, then again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Maker. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this long-term down channel as well. By the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout when it was moving inside this channel. And in those days, I've been telling you that after the breakout from this channel, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this low, when it was testing this support here up till this high, overall, it is almost 709%. Very, very powerful rally. But the price then got rejected by this long-term resistance of $4,000 and also found this downtrend line resistance as well. And we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for ATA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this signal I shared on 2nd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also find the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. This was a very powerful pump, by the way. Now let me to take you back to the maker's chart, and this is the 7 days time frame. And here you can see that for the past several months, it was getting rejected by the way, it was getting rejected by this resistance since after 25th of March 2024. And this is the last rejection that was happening here on 2nd of December 2024. Got rejections here, and rejection here. And recently, we also tested this long-term support of $820 as well. That was previously breaking other resistance here and support here. And at the same time, if we take a look at the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it was also entered the oversold zone as well. And there was also a bullish divergence. You can see that the price line was forming a lower than previous low at the same time, you can see that stochastic was forming a slightly higher low than previous. So that was a quite clear bullish divergence signal. Therefore, the price then eventually followed this signal. And now it is breaking out this very long-term resistance of exponential moving average 21. And there is a probability that it may also hit this long-term downtrend line resistance soon. That will be somewhere here, approximately at $2,000. And in case of breaking out this downtrend line resistance, it can hit the next long-term resistance here at $2,200. That was previously working at the resistance here for a few weeks and resistance here. You see that we got rejection here and support here for several weeks a month. And therefore now it can again work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Maker. Now here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel. Then we had a very, very massive rally, but so far the price line could not hit that target for the breakout from this channel. And that technical and long-term target is here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $6,500 to $7,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.